welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing I'm unboxing one of my jewelry subscriptions. This one I really enjoy. I've unboxed it once on my channel before, and I'm gonna unbox it again just to show you a sneak peek. The way the subscription works, there's different choices. The link I'm gonna provide you, you can actually click on it and it'll give you a code that'll give you 15% off your first box, and it'll give you the prices for that 15% off. But how much it actually costs is, okay, if you do the earring, bracelet, or necklace, it will be $10 a month. So basically the earrings, you would get 2 pairs of earrings a month, one bracelet a month, or a necklace a month. So one of those 3 things. So either 2 pairs of earrings for $10, a bracelet for $10, or a necklace for $10. And their jewelry is always beautiful, really like nice quality. I love it. And then there's the package that I get, which is I think it's 5+ items, guaranteed to be, don't quote me, I want to say $70 or $80 worth of jewelry. Can't remember, but anyways, I pay $25 for that, and there's always like accessories and jewelry in there, and I absolutely love it. They have the cutest jewelry. This is what the package looks like. It's teal. I love teal anyways, but I'm gonna post their link in the description below, so please check them out. It's amazing. And this link I'm gonna give you, it gives you like a code within there, so you'll use the code LUX or LOVE when you check out, and you save 15% off your first order. So I want to save you guys some money, just to let you know. So anyway, I highly recommend them. Ugh. And I can't wait to see what I got. It says your present on top. Cute. Then you open it up. That's what it looks like. Really cute. Take the card out, and then it's always packaged really cute. Again, I have the bigger subscription with them, but it's only $20.83. So it says Lux or Love VIP offer. Congratulations. As Lux or Love Club VIP, you can apply the promo code, and it gives it to me, to receive 50% discount when shopping in the online boutique store. VIP offer varies monthly. Please like us on social media and marketplace to drive for the best value box for all Lux or Love fans. Thank you for your business. Cute. Okay, so I'm opening this up. I'm really excited. And then look what they do. Like everything has this, like everything's in its special little bag, guys. Like, I don't know, the details are really important, but look how cute they are. And I can reuse these for giveaways, for birthdays, Christmases, whatever. But I like these little bags that they do. Okay, so this is the first item that was in the box. It's an accessory item. So this will give you an example of what their accessories will look like. Look how cute that is. It's long too. But this is like those, what are they called? They clip onto the back of your glasses so your glasses stay on. This is gorgeous. Isn't that pretty, guys? So yeah, this is what that is for an accessory. That is so cute. So yeah, if you have like sunglasses, regular glasses, whatever, you can add that on just as an extra accessory and clip that onto your glasses. And it's a beautiful one, so I love that. That's really pretty. Okay, item number 2. We got a pair of earrings in here. These are really freaking cute. Look, they're a pair of grapes. So yeah, I love anybody. I don't know if y'all have noticed by now, but I love dangly earrings and hoops. So as long as they dangle or they're hoops, I'm usually always happy, because I'm an earring whore, I guess you could say. I don't know, that's probably bad to call yourself a whore, but anyway. Oh, but if it's an earring whore, it's okay. So cute. All right, so I'll definitely be wearing those. So you'll probably see these pop up in a video or two because I love dangly earrings. Really cute. All right, so get that out of the way. Let's see what this guy is. Oh, cute. So here's the necklace to match my earrings. So I can accessorize. Really cute. Okay. Next item. Like I said, the packaging, the detail, everything is just so pretty. Okay, then they gave me this beautiful ring. Gorgeous. Y'all see that? Very pretty ring. Okay. The next item in here feels kind of heavy. Let's see what it is. Oh, cute. Look at this bracelet, guys. So pretty. A little bead at the bottom. I love that. This is probably my favorite so far. That's gorgeous. I'm definitely rocking this. It feels so cool on your skin too. But that's beautiful. Okay, so that's an example of a bracelet from them, earrings from them, a necklace from them, and an accessory. Cool, cool, cool. All right, this next item's heavy, heavy. Do y'all hear it? Okay. If I had to guess, I'd say like a pocket watch, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. That's the last item, so. Oh, so cute. No, it's better. Guys, that is so adorable. And is it, oh, it's like a little lock. I love it. That is freaking gorgeous. And then you just put it, let me see. You just put it back in. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. That's cute. I love the little details. Oh, it's like shiny with the rhinestones, the heart. And on the back, I think it's a magnet. Yeah, it's a magnet on the back. That is so freaking cute, guys. Okay, so this is why I get the bigger box, because I like the accessories, because they come out with really cute accessories. I also get another jewelry subscription, and I love it as well, so I'm not knocking it at all. But I was getting the bigger package in that one, and it came with the accessories, and I started noticing I wasn't really pleased with the accessories, and it wasn't worth buying the bigger package, so I kind of downsized to the smaller one. In this one's case, it's completely worth it. Like, you get really good accessories, really cute. I mean, this is heavy. It's not a little cheapy thing. It's gorgeous. This is something you could actually give to somebody. So anyway, y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments below. I love this subscription. That's why I kept it when I got rid of a lot of boxes, when I had to, you know, downsize. Girl, I had to go on a budget. But this one stayed for that reason, because I was like, I'm gonna still wear the jewelry. I love earrings. I can wear them during my videos. Like, to me, it all still made sense. The accessories were still gorgeous. I could use them as gifts in the future if I needed to. I could put them in as prizes, or I could use them for myself. So to me, the whole thing made sense. Y'all tell me in the comments below, what do you think? And if you're interested in signing up, please do. You will not be disappointed with this company at all. I love them. Their customer service is amazing. And anyway, so like I said, the link is in the description below. Don't wait. Run. go order. Anyways, love you guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.